You're so awesome. Hey, it's Monday. I just wrote Monday's a fun day when I sent out some videos, and I laughed because I was like, oh, whoa, it works. Every day is a fun day. Wow. Oh, today is a at-home cuddles day. Oh yeah.
I'm camping in my room too.
We're gonna camp in the teepee in Abraham's room and cuddle and stay all warm and snuggly.
No, in my bed. Mom, it's too.
In the bed, or in your bunk bed, or in the teepee? Because the teepee is where we camp, isn't it? I don't know. I'm not camping expert. Thought I'd show you my hair. I did a fun little kind of Oktoberfesty braid. So I do pigtail braids, and then I wrap them around and pin them on.
I camp in my room in my TV. Who camp in bed?
Okay, let's go. Let's go play, guys. Let's go play. I just wanted to say welcome back to the Weekaroo. Oh yeah, maybe we should have a beer this week, or I should put a beer on my hair and honor the Oktoberfesty stuff, because it is almost October, isn't it? How did that happen? End of September. Wild monkey on a tuffet. If you follow my Instagram, you know I bought pumpkins. I got this one. Look at that gorgeous bendy stand. This is going in some of our Insta photos. Isn't that beautiful? I also got a couple other little, only 50 round. I also got a couple other little smaller pumpkins that I think are going to be fun. Oh, careful. No, you don't want to pull on those. Those are delicate. But I love the warty one. It's my witch pumpkin, wart pumpkin. I just think it's really cool. And I want to take lots of photos of it. I do, for no reason other than I'm like, oh, look at the textures. Ho, 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 ho. So neat. But yeah, fall. I feel like now fall is officially here. And it has been here for like 3 weeks now. But I've been denying it because I thought maybe I'll get a little summer one. But this is the nicest weather we're going to have all month. And it's still only a high of like 61. But it's not raining. So that's better than it was. I'll take that. I'm hoping that after a lot of cuddles today, maybe this afternoon, we get outside, maybe we go to the playground or something. I feel like we need to. Let me give you an update of our indoor plants that I'm trying to grow. Somebody very helpful and small watered them for me while I was cooking dinner, and some of them did drown. So I'm trying to save them. We'll see what comes back. Let me show you. These green plants that I bought, fully sprouted, are nice little guys. They might be getting a little bit too much water. I think I need to water them less. These guys, I'm afraid, maybe drowned a bit. There used to be like 8 sprouts, and only 2 survived the overwatering. These guys do not want to stand up on their own, so we'll see. Basil's doing okay, as is this one that Abraham could not reach to water. So this is what they should look like. This is what they do. We got a glow-in-the-dark skull, and we are UV lighting it with our UV light. And I'm pretty sure that's going to glow in the dark. Woohoo! So for lunch, I just thought I'd show you what I'm having. Big bunch of grapes. I'm having 2 turkey thighs that I cooked up with garlic and smoked paprika in the pressure cooker. Having a little bit of Bibb lettuce, and I don't know, about ½ cup, 1/3 of a cup of cottage cheese down there. And then I poured over the top a little bit of garlic oil that I had at the bottom of my pantry, and some balsamic. So just easy ingredients. And if I'm still hungry, I'm going to eat some of the enchilada leftovers that I fed Abraham for lunch. Hey, are your hands and face clean? Good job. Your face is a little dirty, but your hands are clean. Good job. Somebody likes to rub their things on. Furniture everywhere. Fabric. I'm excited to eat that. I'm hungry. I think that's pretty good. It's a nice high-protein meal. Because I suspect what I'm having for dinner is going to be very carby and fabulous. Normally I would have like maybe a little cheese and a roll or something. You know, even it out. It doesn't really have a lot of starch in this meal, and I'd like to be a little more balanced. But this is just what I had. Throw together real quick, kind of leftovers. I just want a little nibble for breakfast. I don't think I showed you. I had an apple and peanut butter because I kind of didn't eat breakfast until like 10:30 anyway. So I just wanted something light and then early-ish lunch. Okay, I'm going to go nibble. I'm going to go play with this little guy over here, and we're going to try to sweep the bedroom. Oh, yeah.
I'm not playing. I'm just eating.
Oh, you're totally right. I'm so silly. Because today's theme seems to be food, oddly enough. There you go. It's a good thing. I thought I would show you what I made us for dinner. Yes, I did have an outfit change. He was literally ripping off my sweater earlier today. And we had to have a talk about that.
Pasta.
Oh, yeah, we're having cheesy pasta.
Yeah.
Can I show them?
And I had drink.
Oh, and you do have a drink, it's true.
No, it's my medicine in it.
That's right.
And I have put it and my it's no whole choice. It's we do choice when they out. I tell mommy.
Oh, good job. Oh, I love you vlogging. Alrighty, so I made the last of the zucchini from the garden. I'm not sure if this will focus, it's pretty steamy. Sauteed up in a little garlic olive oil. I made some capellini with leftover chicken, a little marinara, and some goat cheese. Oh wait, obligatory pumpkin. Ooh. And then I picked the last little flowers from the zucchini, breaded them in flour, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, egg batter, fried them up in garlic olive oil, and stuffed them before I fried them up with mozzarella. And then I did a little lemon juice just on some bib lettuce that I had left over washed from lunch. This dinner. I think I'm going to add a little bit of marinara, extra marinara to mine, because I under sauce it so that Abraham can eat his. I'll show you what he's having. So he's having the pasta with the chicken and a little light sauce, and then he's having a little bit of lemon water. Because Mommy was having lemon water. Oh, lemon water and his tummy medicine.
Don't hit on it.
Oh no! Okay, I have to clean the spider. Alright, that's our dinner. I'm gonna go nibble wibble before it gets cold. But I always love seeing what people eat and getting ideas. I love the zucchini blossoms filled with cheese and fried. They're just so good. I'm hoping this turned out. Oh, I'm excited. Yum yum. Wow. It's Tuesday. I think if you like these sparkly headphones that I did a product review of them, I want to say on the Wholesome Feed channel. Maybe, was it a year ago? It was a while ago. But I still use them. They're fun. Very decorative. They're for large-headed people, noticed. My little tiny head is small for them. But they're really like the most comfortable headphones I own. They're so squishy. But yeah, it's Tuesday and it is afternoon. I have not filmed yet because today has just been nap refusals and getting work done. Hey, monkey love.
Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. Hey, mom.
Mm-hmm.
No.
What do you want to know?
That is tower.
Okay, so we're gonna go explore. Oops, as I try to grab everything, because it's actually sunny. Woohoo! What is my hair doing? Oh, I cut my hair today. That's right. I cut my own hair. I do not go to a hairdresser, but I don't know, cheapskate that I am. What was I saying? Oh, my hair was doing crazy things, yeah. Sorry, we kind of got cut off there because somebody ran off and climbed up a big giant tower.
This tower.
But it is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice to have a sunny, beautiful day where we actually get outside. Look at this little dude. Playing his tunes. Oh, yeah.
Let's go down.
We should go down. Should we walk all the way over to the pond?
Yeah.
The lake? I suppose technically it's called a lake.
Let's go to the lake.
It must be a lake. Yeah, okay, we should do the lake. We just climbed all the way up here and I thought it'd be pretty to see.
No, let's go down.
It's like, yeah, right, lady, yeah, right. Careful, because there are bees. There's a bee infestation in the area, I tell you. We were just being told about it by one of the rangers. Yes, my love.
Let's go down now.
Oh, we should go down there?
Yeah.
Okay, that seems fair. Let me say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. We'll follow along as we go on our walk because it's just really nice to be outside. I feel like I have total cabin fever from, you know, it raining for 3 weeks straight and then also just being inside if there was a nice day, getting work done and, you know, finishing up the book promo and the book edits and finishing up while just doing, you know, YouTube videos and my Patreon and everything has been so time intensive this month that I'm like, I just need a few days where I can decompress. And I think if I can get a few sunny days, maybe I'll try to shift work schedules around once the book's out. Do you ever feel like that? How do you handle those when you need to decompress, but you have so much on your to-do list? I feel like I post about that a lot on Instagram because it's so on my mind. Okay, let's get going. Let's go play. Ooh. Gonna try to make a run for it down the stairs. Will we make it? We just don't know. Hopefully bees won't eat us. Don't let the bees get us. Oh no. Bonus points. I recognize this backdrop for a video that was on the Wholesome Feed. Oh my god. I should look where I'm going. I almost toppled down the stairs there. crazy. Ooh, dramatic lighting. Whoa, scary. We made it to the duck pond. Whoa. He is all about running around. Oh, nap refusal, I tell you. It's a dangerous thing. Okay. He's gonna go further along the boardwalk. Ay, ay.
Okay.
You want to do your dance party?
What's this, Mom?
Whoa, let me see that again.
What's this?
Dance party. Okay, I admit it. I'm impressed. What do you think? Whoa, what's that on your head?
I can't tell you. I need you to pick it up.
There you go. Good job. Well, Bubbles, are we going to go do the spinny? Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2. Hey, welcome back. It's Thursday. I'm coming right back to spin you, I've been told. No photos, no adorable Instagram photos. So, yeah, we decided to go to playground because it's sunny and it's actually warm. I'm wearing a skirt. Okay, which is mildly optimistic for the actual weather, but I'm going with it. It's so nice to have a day that's above 60 degrees. Oh, it is delightful. Okay, let me put the stuff away. And then we have some chocolate because Mommy wore her handsome bag so that we could bring chocolate. Yes, I did walk quite a ways with that on my back, but I'm okay with that because it's stylish. Oh, that was a sweaty walk. I sweated a bit, I'll admit it. Whew. Gotta take off my layer. Okay, I'll come help. We found a snail on the walk over, so we are going to give it some water and put it in a bush to eat so that it can hang out with other snail friends. Oh, it's nice to exercise in warm weather. I mean, you know, it's like 67 degrees out, but still, that's warm to me. With sunshine, it just makes me like lighter and happier feeling. And I know that we don't get a ton these days, you know, really starting now. So they're greatly appreciated, I must say. Okay, again, shout out to iCanvas who sent me this lovely thing a while back. I mentioned it before in the vlogs, but if you're looking for a pretty print canvas for a great deal, it's a good deal. Not sponsored or anything, I just like the pretty print. Okay, now I'm going to change out my doorknob and give it a fresh new look because that's the kind of person that I am. Okay, I've had this doorknob for a year and I haven't put it in, so I'm just going to do it. I am invigorated, there's sunlight. Woo! I got work done this morning. I'm going to get some household work done. Yeah. Let me show you. But I really like this. I already did the top part that matches this. But I like this. I just think it'll be nicer. Let's go deal with some snails. Snails. Not snails. I was going to point, but no, I don't have any snails there. As you can see, this door handle could use updating. As can my door. I really need to repaint it. This is the new one, which has been on for ages and ages. Because I've had that other door handle for like a year. Your moment of happy zen for today. I put these up to hold my curtains back and look in the afternoon, and they'll do this all winter long. You get these gorgeous rainbows, which I just love. They make me happy. It's such a small little silly thing, but it's just like having temporary glitter on your wall. I'll show you what the doorknob looks like. Here you go. Not the best lighting, I know. I need to do some touch-up paints on here, but that's really, I like it a lot better than the silver one. And the silver one's lock was catching a lot. So this one I'm hoping will work better. Honestly, I just like the look.